Hello, welcome to BEC Task Force. My name is Tình Uyên. Now I'm going to talk about quality control, the importance to a company in monitoring the quality of its goods and services. Firstly, all of us know that the quality control is to keep the quality under check and maintain high standard. It is essential to build a successful business to deliver products that meet or exceed customer expectations. It also forms the basis of efficient business that minimize waste and operate at the high levels of productivity. Second, a business that provides quality builds trust, good reputation, and recognition by customers. Because standards become a symbol for products and services quality, the customer are keen on buying their goods or a service from certified manufacturer or a service provider. Therefore, complying with standards has become a necessity when attracting the customers. Another thing in importance of quality control is effective advertising. When quality standards of products are high and up to the mark, the marketer advertises them more confidently and effectively. The tone of convincing customer automatically changes when they know that their products are worth. This ultimately results in increasing sales.
Hello, my name is Anh Văn and today I will talk about the information management, how to ensure that information is managed effectively within a company. Let's get to the main point. What is the company most valuable asset? Without doubt, it is information. If you manage your information well, it can transform your organization into a quick thinking machine that develops the products and gets them to the market faster than competitors. There are many ways to effectively manage information. Typically, planning is first thing. Organizations are very complex environments, so it's very difficult to deliver concrete solutions. Therefore, planning helps us to have an overview of everything and make a backup plans. The second is focus on adoption. Information management systems are only successful if they are actually used by staff. For example, staff must save on key files into the document management system. Without a critical mass of usage, corporate archives will not contain enough useful information. And the last one is choose the first project carefully, very carefully. The choice of the first project conducted as part of a broader information management strategy is critical. And this project must be selected carefully to ensure that it demonstrates the value of the information management strategy and builds momentum for future activities. Yes.
Let's move on to part 2. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, everything is going well.
Okay, let's get down to the business. Today we are here to discuss looking for a new head of human resources. What experience do you think is suitable for the new head of human resources? Because they are who work directly with the employees to solve any issues.
Yes, I totally agree with you. And they are who advise others to handle situation in right way. So in my opinion, the human resources manager must be someone who has worked for a long time in the company and has contributed a lot, has a good reputation in the company. So what qualities of manager are necessary for a head of human resources? Can you get some ideas?
Yes, first of all, I think a new head has to be self-aware and prioritize personal development. They are effective listeners and open to change. Second, they focus on developing others. Effective managers adapt to whether an individual or group is ready, willing, and able to take specific action.
Yes, I absolutely agree with you. Self-awareness for personal and others' development are important qualities for a head of human resources. But I find strategic thinking, innovation, and action essential as well. Leaders must consider inter-organizational factors as well as external factors when making strategic business decisions.
Yes, I couldn't agree more. A new head of human resources has at least these qualities in their personal and professional lives, inspiring others to take action for future success.
Okay, so what about skills? How do you think about the required skills for a head of human resources?
In my view, there are two important skills that the human resources manager needs to have. First, organization skill. They will be responsible to organize, manage, and make sure that all the employees and departments are working effectively. The second one is communication skill. The human resources manager are ones who are able to express by ways of communications in clear manner and also in writing.
Yes, you're right. But I find that is not enough. We need to add recruitment and hiring skills. In order to be an effective hiring manager, it is necessary to possess interpersonal skills as well as decision-making skills. On the other hand, the human resources manager must have negotiation skills because this is one another important skills that it needs to develop. He or she must be successful enough and possess the capability to negotiate. That's all.
I see your point. Besides experience, qualities, and skills, we also should we also should discuss basic salary and benefits. How do we offer that to them?
Yes, from my point of view, in order to obtain new talents and retain them, compensation and benefits must be framed in the right way. And the suitable salary is $1,500 per month. How do you think about that?
$1,500 is reasonable. If they work effectively, we can give them an extra month's salary at the end of the year, or we can give them allowance travel.
Yes, that's good idea. I will take note them.
Okay, we go to the end of discussion. Thank you for your contribution.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.